awareness program at Pan India. He has trained more than 5,000 students for NISM, NCFM certificate courses and entrepreneurship programs. He acted as a resource person and keynote speaker more than 300 conference and seminar through online and offline. He also visiting faculty of various reputed universities, financial institutions, and colleges. His core strength is security analysis, portfolio management, financial derivatives, mutual fund operations, wealth management, financial analysis, financial technology, and entrepreneurship. We welcome Dr. Lion K. Prabhakaran sir to this FDP session on cross-cutting issue and sustainable development, new avenue, research and research methodology in commerce, humanity, and science. It's truly an honor to have you among us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Kindly disable my screens.
Thank you, sir. I now request Lion Professor Dr. K. Prabhakaran, Professor, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Quitambur, and SEBI Smarts to kindly begin with the presentation on the topic, New Avenues in Financial Research. So you can begin with your presentation.
Thank you so much. I can't share my PPT. Kindly help me.
Yes, sir, you can begin with your presentation.
Yes, Prathamesh sir, could you give sharing rights to sir? Prathamesh sir? We need sharing rights. So just a moment.
Okay. It's not possible to screen, sir. Kindly check it, please. Yes. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, now visible now.
Yes,
now
you
it's
can
okay.
share now. I have done it.
Okay. Thank you. My screen is visible. Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, dear Dear professors and my dear friends, very warm good evening. So it's my immense pleasure for conducting this uh, FDP for New Avenues in Financial Research. My special thanks to the Professor Anand, given the wonderful opportunity to me. So myself, Dr. K. Prabhakaran, I'm a professor Karpam Academy of Higher Education, and I have more than 20 years experience in the field of financial research. Yeah, so we know very well about research. Research means new things, what we do. And the last 4 days we are attending the FDP. I you hope you learn something about social science research and other research. So today we're going to discuss about the financial research. So financial research is an emerging area nowadays. Why means so most of the researcher not do finance. Why means they don't have any awareness. So financial research at present more than 70% money transaction in stock market, especially in finance. Generally, we are telling about finance. Uh, Finance is a lifeblood of in any organization. Without finance, we can't do anything. Am I right? So generally, as a commerce and management professors, we are do research in social science research, marketing area, finance area, HRM, like that. But finance, you can see the ratios less than 5% researchers are do research in finance. But some researchers, out of that 5%, more than 4% people are do research in the financial analysis like that, the balance sheet data like that, financial performance, working capital, like that, cost analysis like that. But few researcher only that did this area. So, say for example, we can take for small data before COVID and after COVID. Before COVID and after COVID, most of the financial researcher do their topics selected from that area. For example, impact on COVID before and after. Fine. Say for example, yeah, finance area is now wide area. So before we have seen only for basic financial analysis and behavior financial study, and then coming to stock market research and mutual fund research and currency research and commodity, and then fintech. Plenty of areas available. Plenty of areas available in financial research. So first we're going to talk about the first area, stock market research. So stock market is evergreen from uh, 1875 onwards. Yeah. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so stock market is emerging area nowadays. A few researchers done with that area research, and few researchers now doing research in stock market. So stock market, we can see what are the topics we're going to do in stock market research. Fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, we are using that example for the company's financial performance, like that market capitalization, and then stock holding pattern, EPS, earning per share, PE ratio, and then return on capital employed. This kind of tools we are going to formulas and tools we are going to use, and then we are going to take data for past 5 to 10 years. For example, PhD researcher using for 10-year data for, and then PG researcher using for 3 to 5 years data, market efficiency, Dow theory, portfolio management, like that CAPM model, and then stock market volatility, investor perception. Yeah, this many research I can see after COVID. Investor perception towards mutual funds, equity investments, like that, investor decision making. So this kind of research we can do in primary through stock markets. So stock market data mostly, generally financial research, most of the research are using secondary data. Few research are using for primary data. Primary data means we have to collect the questionnaire through online and as well as physical also. Online we can collect through nowadays very easy Google form. You know very well about Google form. And if you collect data through Google form, the data will be converted to Excel. So we have to convert. We can start the research, right? But fundamental analysis, technical analysis, uh, stock market efficiency, market efficient market hypothesis. These data are only purely based on secondary data. I will show you the secondary data, how to click the data. First, we should know the areas, what are the topics we do in finance. Is capital market, capital asset pricing model. That is, one more emerging area, stock market volatility. Why means after 2000, when introduced derivatives, that time onwards, stock market little volatile, especially that after COVID, market more volatile because of many reasons. And investor perception also changed. So before in 2020 COVID in India, how many people are having demat and trading account? Less than 3.5 crore. Less than 3.5 crore. So that time the population in India 139 crore. Now it increased to population 147 crore plus, and demat account also more than 14.5 crore. So on behalf of the COVID, so that is investor perception changed. So most of the investors prefer for stock market investments and mutual funds also. That's why this kind of topics now new researcher they can plan, and investor decision making also, which is especially we can see the two kinds of investors, 90s kids and 2K kids. So 19 kids, most of the investors are they are not for high risk investors generally, and then 2K most of them they are taking for high risk. So say for example, when I go to conduct any investor awareness program, some 2K kids are asking, suppose so I'm going to invest 1,000 rupees in stock market today. So after 1 year, how much I can get? So this kind of question they're asking. I told depending on the risk and return. If you are taking high risk, high return, low risk, low return. So these are all stock market topics: fundamental technicals, portfolio, capital pricing model, stock market volatility. I'm going to tell about the research tool also in finally. Okay. And then the another topic for stock markets. This also emerging area. Impact on introduction of future index on stock market volatility. So we can compare. So impact of the derivative products. Example, we can Reliance Industries spot market equity also traded and derivative also traded. Impact on derivatives. What about the stock market volatility? And then impact on dividend announcement of stock prices, and impact on foreign institutional investors. That is nowadays we can see the data every day. FIS inflow and outflow also more than 40% volumes. For example, every day stock market turnover, cash market more than 1.2 lakh crore, and derivatives more than 450 lakh crore per day volume. In total market capitalization in India, more than 70 lakh crore, 470 lakh crore. So equal to market capitalization per day volume in derivatives. So that's why I'm telling impact on derivatives, market volatility also more theoretically we know, and impact on relationship between Sensex and gold. So we every day both are increased, Sensex and Nifty. So we can see the relationship. This is also emerging area, and derivative trading and impact on volatility and Nifty index or Sensex index, some kind of indices also. So this kind of areas are emerging areas in stock market. Yeah. And next we can hour about commodity exchanges. So we know very well about stock exchanges. At present, four stock exchanges available: BSE, NSE, MSE, and CSE. But most of the traders are investors trading and buying and selling through only BSE and NSE. Few traders are trading and investing in MSC and CSE, Calcutta Stock Exchange. But commodity markets at present 5 exchanges available: BSE, NSE, MSE, and MCX and NCDX. So MCX only purely trading on metal commodities. Some agricultural commodities also trading, but most of the volume coming from metal commodities. And NCDX, National Commodity Derivative Exchange, also trading for commodities exclusive of agricultural commodities. Example, wheat, chenna, soya, like that. So this area we are do for research, same like investor awareness, and then performance analysis of the particular commodity products, technical analysis, comparative analysis, and then spot prices, future prices. So this is for few of researcher done that area. Say for example, we take for turmeric. Turmeric, we can see the spot market prices, Nijamuddin market and Erode market, and they're going to compare with LCDX. So, what about the relationship between spot prices and future prices, and then price behavior of the commodities, price movements? So we can, and nowadays we know very well about most of the uh, traders are do only for trading, especially somebody's are uh, buying with spot market. They're going to hedging using this commodity derivative products also. Now we can add for hedging strategy also, hedging, uh, hedging, and then one more options for the risk return about spot versus futures also we can do. This is in commodity area research, and yeah, it is, yeah, one more emerging area, mutual fund investments. Nowadays, we can see the on data before COVID. Say, for example, June 2020, mutual fund, we are telling about AAUM, average asset under management, less than 10 lakh crore. Now it increased to more than 65 lakh crore as on August 2024 data. So we can see, and then now mutual fund investor also increased. So before COVID, few general public mutual fund investments are less than 10%, now increased to more than 20% increased, and the investment also total average under asset management value also increased. And one more information, SIP. So before 10 years we can compare, now the 2024 before 2014, uh, SIP monthly average money collected from investor less than 4,000 crore. COVID time it increased to uh, nearly 7 to 8,000 crore. Now, as an recent data, every month collected from investor SIP more than 24,000 crore. So it is a tremendous growth in mutual fund industry. But many general public and employee categories, they are going to investing in mutual funds. So nowadays, mutual fund investors as well as researchers also do that area, investment pattern about the mutual funds. Example, equity schemes available, debt schemes available, hybrid schemes available. They're going to select the topic based on that investor investment pattern, investor awareness. Now, investor awareness gradually increased. So, on behalf of SEBI, SEBI now conducted for uh, investor awareness program through SEBI Smarts organization and Smarts individual and regional seminar also they are going to conduct it. So impact on that investor awareness program. So how to select they're going to select the mutual funds. They're going to aware about for risk and return. What are the schemes available? They're going to already give an awareness. The impact on investor awareness. What about the mutual fund investments like that we can do, and performance evaluation of mutual fund schemes. Yes, this uh, many tools is available. Sharp ratio, junction ratio, this kind of tools is available. They're going to use the performance evaluation of mutual funds, and these are all secondary data. Investment pattern, comparative, and investor awareness and customer perception or investor perception. This comes under the primary data, and comparative analysis, performance evaluation of mutual fund schemes, investment avenues. These are also comes under the secondary data. Yes, yeah. One more emerging area, currencies. Yeah, nowadays most of the investors are preferring for most of the young. Yesterday also I went to one college. On few students are do trading in forex, foreign exchange. That is the currency market. They are doing in India as well as foreign also through New York, US and UK country also they do for currencies. Okay. Say for example, the topic we can do the currencies, spot currencies versus future currencies, the interrelationship between currencies and gold, interrelationship between currency and Nifty, interrelationship between spot and futures, and currencies and crude oil prices and oil mills. So it is a more interrelationship. And the one more important, the impact on macroeconomic variable. So the currency prices influenced by macroeconomic variable. We know very well GDP, inflation like that. So we can do the research in that area also. This is all evergreen area. not today, not tomorrow, not before 10 years. So we know very well currencies or INR value. You can compare before 40 years it was 10 rupee to 20 rupee. So before 10 years it was only 40 to 50 rupees. Now it is 84 rupee. So we can do the research in that area currencies. So what are the factors influencing the currency? Macroeconomic variables and microeconomic variables also. Yes, and one more area we can see this fintech for emerging area. It is especially most of the researcher they're going to find the new area financial technology, especially blockchain technology, and then uh, 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 data source for the cryptocurrencies. They're doing for research in cryptocurrencies also crypto, and then Bitcoin. They do research. But now I move to this data. What are the tools is we going to use in the research in the stock market data and mutual funds data? I'm going to start about the stock market data. Kindly note the tools. Say for example, stock market data we are going to collect. Normally we can collect the data from sources through websites. Say for example, we are going to collect the data from time series data and panel data. So normally time series data, panel data, we can collect stock market or mutual funds or currencies. For example, daily data or weekly data or monthly data, we're going to collect. After that, the collect the data, we should calculate the return. So return formula, we're going to use it. Okay. Uh, First, I'm going to show how to collect the data. Go to Yahoo Finance. You can cope up with me. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, 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 thank you. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir, your screen is
Yes,
visible
yes,
now.
yeah, okay. So everyone go to this website to collect the data from secondary data. Go to, especially I'm going to collect the data first stock market data. Go to yahoofinance.com, finance.yahoo.com, 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 and then we can move to the search column available. We can go to collect the data. Example Infosys INFI, and this is the code of NSC. Infosys INFI.NS. This is NSC data. If you want BSc, you can INFI.BS available. Okay, first I'm going to collect the NSC data. Select Infosys. Yes. All cope up with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yeah. So this data we can collect through this website, finance.yahoo.co.in, and we can see the data. This is a chart 1 day, 5 day, 3 days, but we need historical data. We need historical data. We need historical data. Select historical data. Select historical data. We can select the time duration. Say for example, for 1 year data or 5 years, whatever it may be. Select. You have to select 1 year. Uh, 1 year data available. We need the data available daily, weekly, monthly. So better we should take daily data. Daily data we should take. I think, can you see this CSV file format? I think you can find any CSV file format. Otherwise, you have to select data, copied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, you can download the CSV format. You can download CSV format. So generally we should take any data, this kind of data. Mostly we are taking for the closing price, but we should not take closing price. If you do any research, researcher don't take the closing price data. We should take adjusted closing price. Why I am telling means, if any adjustments, example for right shares or bonus shares or dividend announcement, that will be directly impacted. So this company you can see up to here, this there is no, yeah, here you can see, yes, October 2026, October 2026, 25 announced dividend 18 rupees. That is impact. So impact on this, the prices also little changes. That's why we should take the adjusted closing price data, adjusted closing price data. So that's why I'm telling before, if you take without with you should take closing price. It's not any adjustment, so better we should take adjusted closing price data. But that data we should do uh, uh, calculate return formula. You know very well about today's closing price minus yesterday's closing price divided by yesterday closing price. We have to collect the data, but that data should be entered into software. So many researchers using the software, especially for time series data, EView softwares. So somebody said no, but if you are, I'm not go for the in-depth of that EViews. Just generally, I'm telling. Okay, so most of the researcher using now the software EViews, and some researcher using through SPSS. Also, few tools we can apply, and Excel also we can use for some tools. Normally, we are going to use the tool for finance, especially time series data, descriptive statistics, even stock market or mutual fund or currency or whatever it may be. We're going to talk calculate descriptive statistics like that, mean, median, mode like that, standard deviation, curtosis. Sorry. Next, we're going to test the stationarity of the data. Any secondary market data, secondary data, unit root test, ADF and PPT, ADF unit root test, 5 tests available. Example, ADF test, PP test, and uh, KPSS. But most of the researcher using ADF and PPF is more than enough for us. This is what the data is stationarity or not. And then we are using the, depending on the areas. These two tests are primarily using any kind of secondary data research, descriptive statistics, and unit truth test. For example, stock market volatility, we are going to use the test unit truth test, descriptive statistics, and the Garch family models. Garch family models, they're going to use it. And then like that market efficiency, weak farm semester. So weak farm efficiency using for rent test and auto correlation, they are going to use it. And then for mutual funds, mostly using for this uh, Sharp trainer and Jensen model. Sharp trainer and Jensen model. Currencies also using econometric models and some statistical tools that they are going to apply. This is commonly. And how to do for fundamental analysis, we can see the my screen is visible. Dear participants, my screen is
Yes,
visible.
sir. Yes, sir. Your screen is
Yeah,
visible.
yeah. As a human being, it's not only for researcher, financial researcher. Before investing in stock market, we're going to visit the website. We can see all the information this website, screener.in. Say for example, I'm going to I'm going to take one company. For example, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Yes, we can see all the information, market capitalization, current price of the stocks, 1 year high, 1 year low, stock PE ratios, book value, dividend yield, ROC, return on capital employed, ROE, return on equity, face value, all the information is available. Apart from below, we can see the 1 month price movement, 6 month price movements, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. So, but this data also we can chart also we can see the daily prices we can collect it from screener that yahoofinance.com or NSC websites or BSC websites also available. Okay, this is for especially for fundamental analysis. This is data we can collect it from for the purpose of the fundamental research. These data and yeah, this information pros and cons of the company. Yes, we can see the peer comparison. Okay, for we are selecting only one company. For another company, Infosys, HCL, Wipro, LT, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, Persistent System. This company's information we can see, and we can see the quarterly results also. Quarterly results available. And profit and loss account for past 11 years from 2013 onwards, profit and loss account balance sheet available. So with one website we can get all the data. This is more than enough for do research in finance, especially for fundamental analysis. Compounded sales growth rate already they calculated. So with this data, with this cell we can use and we can do for uh, finding and suggestions. It is more than enough. Cash flow ratios, yeah, that is very important. Shareholding pattern, they given the data quarterly and yearly data is available. So better we can take for quarterly data, so then only we can find the past 3 months what happened. So this also take the data. And other information is also available. Announcement, if any corporate announcement like that, everything, this website is also helpful to you for getting the fundamental data. And another websites we can see nscindia.com, NSC website, National Stock Exchange. So NSC website, same company we can see. All are coupled with me. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Thank you. So we can go to see the next website, NSC. We can some informations we can get it through this website also for fundamental informations. For example, TCS. Yes, we can see this trade informations. We know we don't want for trade information for research. We can see the historical data. Historical data we can see. We can download here also data we can download for 1 year data, 10 years data we can download. We can download from here the CSV format available. 1 week, 1 year high, 52 weeks wide denotes for 1 year high, 52 week low, 1 year low, volume available, value, everything, number of share trades, everything available. But so compared to Yahoo Finance, this data, Yahoo Finance, we can collect it adjusted closing price data, but here not available for adjusted closing price. Other data is available, okay. And if any corporate announcement, say for example, we can see this the trade informations. This information is available. Come the announcements. If any announcement, we can see the announcements. Yeah, come down. Corporate actions. All this information, dividend announcements, interim dividend, special dividend, buyback of securities. This information is available in this website. Say for example, some researchers have done research the impact of corporate announcement on stock price performance like that. We can take the data from this website NSC. Even though BSC also we can get the data. So most of the companies are especially for frontline stocks. Example, large cap, mid cap, cap companies. Most of the stocks are trading in BSE as well as NSE also. Few companies are trading only in NSE. Few companies are trading in BSE. So we can collect the data for the particular websites. And this is data for collected through NSE. The another website, it is a highly useful SEBI website. Go to sebi.gov.in. SEBI websites, plenty of data available. Yeah, SEBI website. All are copy with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Go to this website. Go to report and statistics. Go to report and statistics. Select one by one also. Say for example, research. We can download the working papers, investor survey. These informations we can see research paper and articles, and yeah, very important statistics data. You can see the statistics data. Uh, all the information is available, right? And yeah, we need. Uh, just minute. I need to show about that one. If you are all then for example for recently uh, many some researchers try to do for this area alternate investment funds after 2021 after COVID, many investors preferring this with that is unlisted products equity shares, except mutual fund investment. They're going to investing in AIF alternate investment funds and corporate bonds also. This data is available here. Okay, and one more. Yeah, report. Yes. This you can download the report for National Strategy for Financial Inclusion. This somebody said do research in that financial inclusion area also. So this is evergreen, not today, before 10 years also. You can do research this area. You can download the data. Yes, and go to publications. Yeah, this information very important. All the information is available. Publication and handbook of statistics. Handbook of statistics you can download. All the information is available. So every year they're going to say yeah, even and handbook of statistics. At present 2022 only available, but you can download the data available Excel format as well as Word format also. You can download this all the data. Annual data, monthly data available. SEBI handbook, lot of data is available. You can see this common MCX, NCX data, NSC data, FA data, FP data. You can go through it. I will give you another 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes I will give the time to you. You can see this site. Handbook of Statistics 2022 now only available. But okay, if you do for research, last year data we can download some other website also. Any doubt you can ask. So go to research, report and statistics, and go to publication and go to handbook of statistics. Handbook of statistics. You can do more than 500 PhDs in this data only, more than enough. You can see this website. Yeah. Are there participants any doubts, any clarifications for this site?
So you can proceed. All good as of now.
Okay. Thank you. So, okay, and we are moving to the another area. So till now we're going to see only that research on the stock market data, how to collect the stock market data, and we can move to the another area, mutual funds. We go to that mutual fund India.com. Go to that mutual funds India.com. Uh, say for example, first how to select the mutual funds, not apart from research as a investor, how to select the best mutual fund investments. Okay, first go to mutualfundindia.com. Fun fact fact sheet, and you can see the top funds. You can see the top funds. So already this data given, already this website already calculate the data and given. Say for example, this is top 10 funds commonly equity, debt, and hybrid. Uh, uh, See, this is AUM is nothing but asset under management. This is scheme name AUM 1 week return. So the return based on the net asset NAV, same like current stock market, current market price. 1 week return, 1 month return, 3 months return, like that. So this data also we can download this website, and then categories we can see the. So this is for how to select the mutual fund investment schemes. Okay, so we can see the category ways. Say for example, mutual funds, the major schemes are equity, debt, hybrid, other schemes, and solution oriented. Say for example, I'm going to find the best schemes in mutual funds. Select equity, equity schemes, submit. Select the main category equity, and if you want to select the subcategory also, this is in depth of mutual fund research. So now we're going to see only for basics. If you want to select the particular scheme equity, for example, large cap fund or large and mid cap fund, like that, we have to find it. Generally, we have to select the all equity schemes, which is best performance we can find. So submit equity and select equity and submit. So these are all top 10 funds in equity schemes. HDFC Defense Fund, LIC Mutual Fund. So this based on the top 10 equity schemes in India, based on the return NAV, net asset value, and next we can see debt scheme. So equity scheme high return, highest return is 83% something. For debt scheme only 15.94 percentage. 15.94 percentage. And we can find next hybrid scheme. Hybrid schemes are highest rate is 50.95. 50.95. Okay, dear participants, I'm asking one question to you. So, which in mutual fund schemes are you prefer equity or debt or hybrid? Dear participants, I'm going to show for the equity, debt, and hybrid which schemes are. Generally, we know the past 4 years equity schemes are higher return, debt schemes are moderate return. Sorry, hybrid schemes are moderate return. Debt schemes are low return. We know very well. So, as an investor, we can select equity or debt or hybrid. Dear participants, can you share your view?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, madam.
It depends upon the risk appetite which you want to take. Accordingly, you will decide the mutual fund you are going to select.
Absolutely correct, madam. Congratulations. So, depending on the age, depending on their taking ability, depending on the return expectation, investor can select the mutual fund schemes. My point of view, what I'm telling means, so you have to invest multi funds. Don't select single fund. Equity one fund, debt one fund, hybrid one fund are example for retirement schemes. Example, other schemes available, other kind of mutual fund schemes available. For other schemes, you can see for the ETF Gold, FOF funds of funds, and ETF others and index funds. Say for example, so we know very well Sensex and Nifty. Sensex now 86,000 points, Nifty now 26,000 points. So we predicted so Nifty will reach to 30,000 points within December, or Sensex will reach within 1 lakh points. So what can we do? So we don't know which company going to perform well. So better we can select the index funds, mutual fund index funds. So index funds last year you can see the return. Kindly select this category, other main category others, and index funds we can select and submit. You can see index funds are returns are up more or less 70 plus percentage. Top 10 funds returns are index funds 70 plus. So these are all. So this kind of research you can do. Mutual funds nowadays. Next 20 to 30 years, many young investors are preferring in mutual fund investment rather than other investments. So you can do research which kind of uh, investments, mutual funds we have to select like that we can do. And one more website also for the mutual funds. Uh, Kindly cooperate with me. Go to amphiindia.com. So Amphi India. So AMFI is nothing but Association of Mutual Funds in India, the same like SEBI. So SEBI regulating for mutual fund operations. Mutual fund distributors are regulated by AMFI. Most of them known. We can download the data, research and information data available. Research and information status. AMFI monthly magazines available. AMFI quarterly data available. AUM asset under management data available, and list of and download latest NAV and all the latest new fund offers. Enough new fund offer data available. This website also another website for collecting data for mutual fund research. Okay, and another websites we can go next. We go to topic another topic commodity derivatives. Go to mcxindia.com. So mcxindia.com. MCX, somebody's are known, somebody's are not known. MCX like NSC, BSC. NSC, BSC trading equity shares as well as equity derivatives, commodity derivatives, and currency derivatives and interest rate derivatives. But MCX only trading on commodities, especially for metal commodities and natural resources. Metal commodities. These are all the products that traded bullions, gold, silver, base metals, aluminum, copper, nickel, zinc, like that. Energies, crude oil and natural gas. Few commodities only trading in MCX, cotton, crude oil, kapas, methyl, this kind of trading. This data we can get it from MCX also. Go to education, go to education, and go to publications. Uh, Better we can download the book Commodity Insider book. All the information is available. Go to education, go to Commodity Insiders Insights yearbook, you can download all the data is available. All the data is available. You can find some other data also. Papers and reports available. We can select the papers and reports. Research studies available. But at present, few researchers that are doing research in PhD, doing research in the commodity area. You can try. It is very easy and it is a very smallest area. And we can download the external publications also. So all the informations you can note it only one area. Education, go to education and publications. Yeah, and moving to this next area, currencies. Currencies, most of the currencies data we can download from xe.com. xe.com. Dear participants, all are copy with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Yes, yeah. Say for example, we're going to download the data USD INR currency. We can download here USD from USD to INR to convert. Convert. The today value is 8 rupees 83 rupees 68 paise. This is spot market data, not futures. Futures data we can collect it from NSC, BSC, or MSC. So we can find the data. Yes, you can see the chart. You can see the full chart. Last 12 hours price movements, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and we can see the 10 years data. Yes, you can see the INR value from 2014 to now. 2014 we can see 60 rupees, but now 84 rupees. 2004 we can see only 40 rupees. So 2004 to 2011, the prices, the range is 40 to 45 maximum price movement. Now it is 84. You can see the past uh, 2 years, the range is 81 to 84 rupees. Okay, this is on another website for collecting data for currencies. This is spot prices, and one more websites. Yeah, we can move to the another website, moneycontrol.com. Many information is available. Financial research related finance data is available. Moneycontrol.com. Moneycontrol.com. So this is news is available. Data is also available. So you can find the news. For example, here you can see the news. Indian financial market news is available. Yes, we can go to see news centers, latest news, business, economics, mutual fund, and news. All the information is available. For example, commodity the prices we can see, and we can download the data also. Yes. This is, we are telling about technicals. Yeah. And one more website, recently SEBI launched the website investor.sebi. Yeah, you can see the website. Plenty of information is available. Just minute, wait. All are copy with me, participants? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
you're
Thank you,
audible.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this websites, most of the information, finance related information is available. Directly we can go to resources, investor education material, investor education, financial education material, NISM study materials, policy documents, and financial calculator. Example for uh, SAP calculator available, time value of money, gold planner, insurance calculator, the cost of delay, compounding power of computing, financial goal planner, and everything available. Already we know the basics, feature value, present value, or EMA calculator, everything available this website. Just go through it another 2-3 minutes.
जो बताया ना बच्चे
You can check your financial health also, financial calculator. Now we are seeing personal financial planning and investment materials available. And apart from uh, we can find the home page, learning material available, video based learning available. Yeah, video based learning, investor corner, program messages, awareness program details, investor support. This information is also highly useful to you. You can do research the impact on investor awareness and SEBI. We can do the research, especially in the primary data. So this information, these are all very highly useful to you. Investor corner and video-based learning. If you have any doubts related to financial market investments, you can find. And another 2-3 websites is available. I'm going to finish it within 5 minutes. Go to RBI website. For example, economic data we can find here. Go to publications, go to annually, half-year data, quarterly data, biannually, monthly, all the data available. We can download, say for example, annual data. For example, annual data, this information are available. Those were take for the macroeconomic variable. Example for Handbook of Statistics and Indian Economy, we can download here. So this first one, Handbook of Statistics Indian Economy 2023-24, we can download the PDF format. These are sources, plenty of sources available for secondary data analysis. Go to publication, annual data or half-year data, depending on the researcher, you can download the data. Yeah, and last website we can find tradingeconomics.com. You can see. So tradingeconomics.com, not only our Indian data, we can find more than 200 countries. We can find more than 200 countries. Yes. Yes, we can find our country, our own country, India. We can see the data, GDP growth rate. I think just a minute, wait. The format little changed. You can see, yes. Try your system. I think my system, the little format changed. It's not clear. Go to India and we can see the data, GDP, annual growth rate, inflation, all the data we can see and download Excel format also. I think it is not visible, not shown. Okay, coming to the end of the presentation. Okay, these are all the websites already we know. Most of the websites we have seen. One or two websites are missing. IMF or World Bank, these websites are ISSR and investorpedia.com. Say for example, any doubts related to finance and accounting, you can see the website investorpedia.com. All the information is available, same like Wikipedia. Investor finance and accounting related information we can see. Okay, thank you so much for your kind listening, especially thanks to Professor Anand given the opportunity to me. Any doubt, any clarification, you can come to my chat box or unmute on yourself. You can ask me.
Thank you, sir, for such a lovely presentation. I request all the participants to please post their questions for the discussion round in the chat box.
And one more information for you. Your most of the participants are participant from Mumbai, I know very well, but NISM also supporting for financial research. National Institute of Securities Market, you can approach through websites. They given mobile number and website also. You can send the mail to NISM. They will help you and guide you, and they are supporting for researchers for working research papers like SEBI also, NISM also. You can try, but you can visit the websites nism.ac.in, nism.ac.in, and dear participants, any clarification, you can come to chat box. Dear participants, any doubts, any clarifications?
Oh, sir, we have a doubt in the chat box.
Yes, long-term investment, which is the best investment versus ETF, MF versus ETF. Yes. So my suggestion, mutual funds nowadays growing industry, but you have to select multi sectors. For example, for multi cap funds, for large for equity or hybrid fund also, as well as equity as well as debt also, but depending on your needs, financial needs. But most yeah, so equity schemes are the performance based on stock markets. We know very well impact on stock market. Mutual funds also perform. Why means most of the mutual funds companies investing in stock market. So based on the based on the stock market performance, mutual funds are performed. So better, my suggestion, you have to select multi sector funds. Example, only equity, one debt, one index fund, one gold fund. You have to select. Any other questions? Any participants doing research in finance, or your scholars are doing research in finance? If you have any doubt, feel free ask me.
Sir, there are a few questions in the chat box.
Yes. Yeah, in case of financial research in cryptocurrency, which can we find data? Yeah, it is good question. But cryptocurrency Indian data are not available. But we are not allowed in India. Cryptocurrency, we are not regulating for cryptocurrencies in India. So we can download from some other country websites. So some asking for large long-term investment. Yes, yeah. Uh, let's get the first question. Okay, it was no. Somebody is asking cryptocurrencies are legal. No, till now, no legal. Now the digital currencies are now introduced. More than 7 banks are introduced, but no cryptocurrencies. So mutual funds and ETF. Mutual funds means now actually exchange traded fund. ETF is nothing but exchange traded funds. Uh, Mutual funds is normally for they are going exchange traded funds are nothing but gold ETF, index funds like that. But some ETFs are trading in mutual funds. Okay, so mutual fund is directly they are going to investing in equity or gold or debt securities. ETF normally, they, for example, gold ETF, they're going to investing in physical gold. They're trading in. We can buy and sell through BSC NSE also. Example, gold base, gold share like that, Nippon gold like that, we can buy. Yeah, we can. Somebody say one person asking, we can select large cap companies investing. Yes, you can select large cap fund, but don't select single fund. Minimum 3 to 5 funds. Yes. Actually, Vishnu sir given a valuable question. Uh, can avoid cheating or fraud while making investment? Yes, sir, 100% absolutely. So SEBI now taking lot of measures for investors. So before going to investing, we have to check all the informations and now more cheating people sir come through WhatsApp, social media, Facebook like that. Right, and nowadays they came for WhatsApp also. Before they came for SMS and like they send the link also. Now they came for WhatsApp and then for SMS also now Instagram like that. Try to avoid. So if any doubt, any clarification, SEBI toll free number available. You can visit the SEBI website. Okay, any questions? Dr. Madhav madam, kindly mute on.
Okay, I don't think we have any more questions. So I would like to thank you for your patience and lucid manner of handling the discussion. I would now request Ms. Rita Guha to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Thank you, Abdullah. On behalf of Lions Club of Malad Borivali College Charity Trust, Prahlad Dalmia Lions College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, and Rajmata Jija Mahavidyalaya, Research Foundation of India, New Delhi, and National Institute of Foreign Trade, Mumbai, I, Mrs. Rita Guha, like to propose the vote. I extend my heartfelt gratitude first and foremost to the resource person, Lion Professor Dr. K. Prabhakaran, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore, and ACBI SMARTS, for having graced our faculty development program with his esteemed presence and rendered the keynote address. Your valuable time and insights have immensely enriched our understanding of the research process, and we are truly honored to have the opportunity to engage in a meaningful dialogue with such esteemed personality. I would like to express our deepest appreciation to the patrons and management members of Praladlai Dalmia Lions College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, and Rajmata Jijao Mahavidyalaya, who have stood strong with us in all our endeavors. We thank the Research Foundation of India, New Delhi, and National Institute of Foreign Trade, Mumbai, for collaborating with us, and a special note of appreciation for Dr. Ajay Jain, National Coordinator of Research Foundation of India, and Professor Vikas Pandey, Executive Director of National Institute of Foreign Trade, Mumbai. A special appreciation and gratitude to Professor Dr. D.N. Ganjevar, Principal of Pradadai Dalmia Lions College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, and Dr. G.K. Kakkar, Principal of MSP Mandal's Rajmata Jijao Mahavidyalaya, Kile, Dharur. Our heartfelt thanks to all the members of the organizing committee, faculty members, administrative staff, technical team, and student volunteers whose collective efforts and dedication have contributed positively towards this faculty development program. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. A kind request to everyone, kindly switch on your video. We'll have a small photo session. I request the technical team to kindly take the screenshots. Thank you. I request all the participants to kindly fill the feedback form. The link has already been posted in the chat box. Also, participants, please note that the feedback form is compulsory. Thank you once again. Take care all.
Thank you, organizers. Thank you, Professor Anand, given the opportunity. Thank you, participants. If you have any doubt, any clarifications, my number also served chat box. Feel free to contact me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello. Hello, Abdullah, are you still in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still here.